Hey everybody, it's Shelby here in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. I'm actually going back to New York in a couple days, but I've been here for a few weeks teaching virtually. And I actually had a bunch of TikTok requests to do a TAP-torial on the step SHIGGY BOP or shovel. Both are names for the same step. And it's a little bit of a trickier step, so I'm gonna break it down for you today, and hopefully this will help you get your SHIGGY BOPs or shovels. So let's get started. Okay, so a shovel or a SHIGGY BOP is made up of 3 sounds. You're doing a scuff with one foot into the air, a dig down onto the ground with that same foot, and a step back on the other foot on your toe. So without doing the actual trick of it, it's this: scuff, dig, step. Yeah, right, left. So notice that your foot has to get in the air before dropping down. So a great exercise to work on these is to literally just go and relax your ankle and feel what it feels like to get both of those steps. Now, the reason it's tricky though is because we're actually going to start by standing on our right foot. So just like a pullback goes off of your standing leg, we're gonna do that as well, but a scuff actually goes forward and into the air off of our standing leg. So a couple tricks to make this happen. Number 1, really engage your core muscles. Number 2, I like to really lift my other knee up to help and use my arms to really lift into the air, because of course we don't want to fall down too soon. And the good thing about this is once you're in this position, you do get to fall back because the next sound you're going to make is that step on the other foot. So we've got to engage our core, use our other leg, use our arms, and all of those things together can allow you to make 2 sounds on your standing leg before stepping back on your other foot. Heel tap, toe tap, in that order. And then once you're standing on that leg, you could switch gears to do the other foot right then because your weight is now on your left. So rhythmically, the counts are and a 1, but we're doing and a 1 not in a triplet rhythm, but in a 16th note rhythm with a pause on the E. So it's and a 1, E, and a 2, and a 3, and a 4 most of the time. Like anything else, you can do any step in any rhythm, but I would say that that is the most common. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any other step requests, please let me know and I will make videos for you on any step you ask for. I will see you in our next video, and thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to follow me on TikTok at Shelby Taps and on Instagram at Shelby.Kaufman. And of course, right here on YouTube, Shelby Kaufman. Thanks for watching. Bye.